Good morning, this is Monday the 26th of September. I'm Grady Wolf, a market analyst with Bell Direct. The Australian market closed Friday's session down sharply lower, down 1.87%, with all 11 sectors of the index closing in negative territory following the Fed's latest interest rate hike in the US, causing investors to flee stocks in favour of cash in markets around the world. The riskier sectors like consumer discretionary and tech stocks took the biggest hits on Friday, with these two sectors closing the day down 4.44% each. The winning stocks on Friday were New Hope Corp. Whitehaven Coal also extended its green run of late, and Rio Tinto closed Friday almost 2% higher. And on the losing side, Block Inc., formerly known as Square, fell almost 9% on Friday amid the tech and growth stock sell-off, while Xero and Arena REIT also each lost 7.8% and 6.8% respectively. The most traded stocks by Bell Direct clients on Friday were Macquarie, Terracom and Vanguard Australian Shares Index ETF. Overseas, the US markets were sharply sold off on Friday as investors continue responding to the Fed's latest 0.75% interest rate hike. The Dow Jones closed at a new 52-week low, down 1.62%. The Nasdaq lost 1.8% and the S&P 500 fell 1.72%. Bond yields jumped last week around the world as a result of rising interest rates, which signals a warning of market distress as higher bond yields create more capacity for funds that may otherwise go into the stock market. The Bank of England also raised the UK's interest rate by 0.5% to 2.25% to tackle the UK's worst bout of inflation in 40 years. As a result, UK markets were sold off, with the FTSE 100 closing Friday's session down almost 2%. Germany's DAX closed the last trading session of the week, also down 1.97%, and the French CAC took the biggest hit, down 2.28% on Friday. Ahead of the local trading day, markets are expecting a sharp 1.25% decline upon open, as investor sentiment is dampened around the world by rising interest rates. The stock going ex-dividend today is IMDEX, which could be a good opportunity to buy in if you've been thinking about this stock, as stocks going ex-dividend generally trade lower on the ex-dividend date. Taking a look at commodities, global recession fears have caused commodity prices to plunge, with crude trading at an 8-month low, down 5.7%, around $78.74 a barrel. Brent is down 4.15% at $86.71 a barrel. Gold is down 1.6% at $1,643 an ounce, but iron ore is up 0.5%, around $101 a tonne. There is no economic data released today, but US durable goods orders for August is out on Tuesday, while new home sales data in the US for August is out on Wednesday. And to start off the new trading week, let's dive into some trading ideas for your consideration. Trading Central has identified a bullish signal on Technology Metals Australia, following the formation of a pattern over a period of 69 days, indicating the stock price may rise over this same amount of time, from the close of 35 cents to the range of 48 to 52 cents, according to standard principles of technical analysis. And Bell Potter has downgraded its price target on Catapult Group to $1 from $1.10, but maintains a hold rating on the global sports analytics company, amid downgraded revenue forecasts over the coming financial years, as well as market movements and lower expected top-line growth. And that's all for this morning. I'm Grady Wolf with Bell Direct. Have a wonderful trading day, and as always, happy investing.